Hi guys, how are you today? My name is Aylara and I'm so glad that you opened this video. I want to assure you that you won't regret, because today we will talk about this beautiful bag from Coach, and I want to share with you my personal opinion about the bag, how much it costs, and all the advantages and disadvantages about this bag. So if you are thinking about purchasing such bag, you will already know what to expect, and I hope this review will be useful for you. So let's start. As all my design bags, I purchased this bag in Zalando website, and it arrived very fast, because on my experience, when you purchase something expensive on Zalando, it comes faster. Maybe just coincidence, but every time when I purchase expensive bags, they come much faster than when I purchase shoe of half price of it. The price of this bag was around 400 euros, 383 if to be precise, and for the Coach it's normal price, because all their bags is around this price range. If you're in general interested in COACH Tabby bag and you're still not really sure which one you want to purchase, I have a review of another Coach bag on my channel. It's COACH Tabby 26, and of course I will leave you the link down below. This bag and COACH Tabby have some similarities in terms of that quality are equal good, and Coach in general has very good quality of bags, and yeah, they do cost more expensive than Guess or Karl Lagerfeld, but the quality is really good, and I'm sure this bag will serve you for minimum 10 years. Another thing that I really love about Coach is their design. This bag looks so classy, and I think it does look very expensive. And the similarities between this bag and COACH Tabby 26 are in these details. You know, this is the Coach logo. They put it in lots of their bags, and also these golden elements are exactly the same as it was on my COACH Tabby 26. And Coach has few samples from which you can choose. I'm talking about the elements, and for COACH Tabby, they gave me choice between yellow gold and silverish gold, if you know what I mean. I will leave you example so it's more understandable. For this bag, there were no choices. There were just choices in color. I think there were burgundy, this color, and maybe white. I picked black bag because what can go wrong with black, and I never regretted it, because this bag fits absolutely any outfit. You know, if you are going on a business meeting, to the office, university, school, doesn't matter, you can surely take this bag and it will look so good. I think it's so complementary to any outfit. But also, if you want to experiment and do something more interesting, you can wear it with more sporty outfit, and I did it. I wore it with casual outfit with my white Nike Air Force sneakers, and it looked amazing. So bag has definitely big potential. Another thing that I really love about Coach is their attention to small details. If you look closer to this bag, even on these small elements they wrote a name like Coach. Also on the handle of the bag there is logo and Coach written there. And I always tell that the strap of the bag is very important, because it's one of the places that you will be touching the most, and it will be on your shoulder, on your hand, whatever. And if it has very poor quality, very soon bag will be unusable. It will look very old, it will look very used, even though it's new bag. You know what I'm talking about? So always take attention on a strap, that it's thick, that it can last long, and how well it's done. And as most Coach bag, the strap is adjustable. You can easily remove it and use bag just this way, and in my opinion it looks amazing. But of course longer strap is much more comfortable and convenient. And in the back we have this pocket that is quite narrow. You won't be able to fit something big there, but it can easily fit a phone or tissue. Again, done very nicely. I can't say anything bad about the workmanship. Like Coach, well done. And when we are opening the bag, again inside it's done from this nice material, and also the color looks so rich. The only thing I could comment about is this small element. Look like there is a little rust on it, and it was since the beginning when I bought this bag. I don't know if it's supposed to be this way. Maybe they just didn't put lots of attention into it, and all Coach bags has it. I'm not sure. But anyway, since it's inside and you won't really see it, for me it wouldn't be a big deal because all other elements are just perfect. And inside we have this one big compartment and the smaller one. Also, as usual, we have one with zipper. Again, very attentive to the small details. There is a name Coach on a zipper done from amazing material. It's golden, the same gold as outside, and as usual they put the Coach card inside. I don't know if it's really useful, but it's nice to have, and actually it's written care instructions. Here it's written that the bag is done from real leather, and I didn't know. I wasn't sure that it's leather. Anyways, they suggest you to keep it in dry place and clean it with special leather cleaner. Good to know. Thank you, Coach, for informing us. As usual, Zalando shipped the bag in their normal box. Let me show you. In case if you will order in Zalando, you know how it will come. It's in a usual Zalando box, and inside, as usual, there is a return label. You can return it almost with any provider. I'm not sure how it's in your country, but in Germany, post offices are very Zalando friendly. You know, you can go to DHL, you can go to Hermes, you can go to GLS or any other. Also, there were these protectors that will keep bag protected. Very nice and thoughtful. And inside the bag, there was this another bag where you can store your Coach in future, and it's from Coach. I like when bags provide you that, and mostly all designers' bags do provide you, but I think Guess didn't provide. Anyway, I think it's nice to know exactly what will come in your purchase when you order it. Honestly talking, I'm quite satisfied with this purchase, and it's so hard to name any disadvantages about it. Maybe just price, but before purchasing you see the price, right? And you can decide does it worth it or not. For me, I think this bag would last really long and would serve you good and will stay in good condition. And I think the biggest advantage of this bag that is not very trendy and not very, you know, eye-catchy, so it can live in your wardrobe for several years, and even after 10 years it will still look modern, it will still look on time, not like a transparent bag or this bag with lots of layers like a Guess bag that I showed you. I think that bag in 5 years will look a little strange because nobody else would be wearing it and the time of it pass. But when you go for something classic, it will always be on time, it will never run out of fashion. Anyway guys, I think I showed you everything that could be shown about this bag, and I told you my honest opinion. I really hope this review would be useful for you, and if you have any questions, please write me comment down below. Of course I will always answer you, and I will leave the link for the bag also in description. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day and successful shopping. Bye bye.